Look at this. Hey friends, welcome back. Today's video is about ultimate patio cleaning, spotty to spotless. Watch the full transformation and enjoy the process as we tackle this heavily spotted patio. Hi guys, welcome back to Exterior Cleaning Expert. This is going to be a wonderful, satisfying video for you. We have a big surface, a patio jet washing job. As you can see, lots of slabs that need a proper clean. A long time ago we did this. About 3 or 4 years ago I didn't make a video. This time we are going to give you some action, a satisfying video for you to enjoy. So let's have a look the condition. Look at this. It's really grimy state everywhere. Most importantly, I have to do a chemical treatment after the jet wash as well, and I have to apply sodium hypo and give a nice thorough job. And as you can see, lots of white and black spots as well. Hopefully it will come back to the glorious condition. And also we have agreed to clean all the windows as well. I'll show you the front. So this is the front slabs, and it looks clean. I have included the front as well and gave the customer a nice offer. Actually, this fence I'm going to wash for free as well. I'm going to blast all this moss in between, as you can see. I hope it will come really nice. So guys, let's get cracking, and hope you guys enjoy the video today. Please remember to share your thoughts down below in the comment section about the video or my channel. At the same time, remember to subscribe and follow and give us a little support. So thank you very much for being in touch with the Exterior Cleaning Expert. So I let you to enjoy the rest of the video. Bye for now. So there are lots of dark spots. I'm going to apply the sodium hypochlorite 1:1 ratio. The detergent mix is ready. That's it for today's video. A spotty to spotless patio restoration and pressure washing job done. I hope you enjoyed watching the transformation. Let me know in the comments which part you like the most. Stay in touch with Keep Supporting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you soon with another one. Thanks for watching, my friends.